Oh, I got a headlamp on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, on your way?
Yeah, I gotta occupy that
okay.
space. Trying the reset procedure. So I was able to get it to light. And it's on right now. But it's blinking 7 times, which says the valve is bad. So you need to change the valve.
Okay.
I was hoping I could clear it. Oh wait, I did clear it. Okay. How hot do you usually set it at?
Kind of medium.
All right.
Do you think I need to replace it sometime?
Yeah, it's pretty rotted out here at the bottom.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's from mopping your floor maybe or something or.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
But my son told me I should have it on a platform. But he's not a plumber, so.
Yeah. Well, you don't have to. You don't have to put it on a platform, but you know, it doesn't hurt to have it on a platform. There's a chance that the you know, the air can come back. The valve air.
Yeah.
I got it to clear, so I did a reset procedure, which gets it to clear out.
Okay.
But it looks like it probably needs to get replaced. You know, like first chance you get.
Is that one of the things you do, or?
Yeah, that's one of the things I do. I just don't have anything available right now because people are snatching. I mean, I got 7 people hit me up today alone.
Wow.
Yeah, you're like 8. So yeah, I mean, we can get something in here. I mean, you got hot water for now, which is important.
Okay.
And it's running. But yeah, I mean, we can get in here and replace it. But yeah, it looks like it's pretty consistently deteriorated there at the pan, which is sitting on the floor. So it looks like water's getting into it somehow. I don't know. I just assumed maybe it was from mopping the floor.
Yeah.
Something like that. Because if it was leaking, you'd have a lot of water coming out of it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But it's working for now.
Okay. How long do you think it would be before you could?
You know, probably by the weekend.
Okay.
You know, by like this weekend. Okay, so that was a super quick service call. Glenn's water heater is on the way out. I was able to get it lit. Came up with a code 7, which is a 7 flash, so I told him the valve needed to be replaced. I was able to clear that code, so I did the reset procedure, which is you put it on very hot for 15 seconds, back to hot for 15 seconds, then down to pilot for 15 seconds. You repeat that 2 or 3 times, and it cleared it out, and it didn't come back. So it's running. I mean, the flame is super yellow, and it's probably really dirty in that combustion chamber, but the bottom of it, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the bottom is really rotted. I mean, it's bad. So he wants to put either a good used one in, change the valve possibly, to try and limp it along, and I'm trying to talk him into putting a new one in. So I kind of gave him my my formula for how you make an educated decision on when to put a used water heater in. And the only time you really do that is if you're installing it yourself. Because if you're paying people to put used water heaters in, you're never going to win that game because you're paying all that extra money for the installation. So if you get 2 years out of a used water heater and you're paying somebody every 2 years to put a used water heater in, right? You might as well buy a new one and pay somebody who wants to put it in. So he's thinking that over. He's going to make his decision. I really appreciate you watching. Please consider subscribing and have a great day.